is a very fun treat that is only going to take a few minutes to prepare. It'll be a great snack food. So we have very little equipment and also ingredients that we need for this recipe. So for our ingredients, we will need a few chocolate chips, some peanut butter, and apple. And those are the only ingredients that we need. And we have our chef's knife, and we have cutting board, plate, a tablespoon, and also a butter knife. So our first step in this video is to cut our apple. So first we are going to take our apple and cut around the core. I'm going to take it and slice the apple this way. So the next thing that we are going to do is take our peanut butter, and for this we just want to make sure that we use just a tablespoon of peanut butter. We can do some good portion control using our our tablespoons and our teaspoons. So for here I'm going to move my knife over, and I will use this as our base. Okay, what do you think? Should we try it?